In this situation, I know a lot of people prefer practicing from home with the quality teachers. So if you prefer practicing a live sessions all from your home, then you can download the app called Tread. The link is in the bio, where you can see the teacher and practice along with them. Hi, this is Neha. Today is day 4 of our regular flexibility classes. Let's get started. So now, to start with, get your legs slightly apart from each other, spine straight. Now, as you lift your both the hands up with inhalation, so now you can see that I am lifting very strict. Try to keep your body slightly loose, okay? So don't try to hold it too strong. Now, inhale, lift up, back bend. Exhale, forward. Inhale up, exhale, forward. Now, if you're doing it as a warm up, then keep your knees slightly bent because you don't want to put a lot of pressure on your spine just to start with. If you're doing it after your workout, then you can do it with a straight knee. Now, inhale up, exhale down, knee bend if it's a warm up, back bend, exhale, let your hands go freely, come up, down, up, down, let your body move accordingly, exhale, last one more time, inhale, exhale, slowly come up. Now from here, just to give a little bit of a stretch, now right, left, right, left, very mild stretch to the side, inhale and exhale. Try to enjoy each stretch, okay. Now once you complete this, drop your knee down. Okay, let me come to a little more center. Now keep your toe tucked in, spine, hold it from behind. Now we're going to give a back bend. Inhale up, exhale forward. To give a back bend, don't go back. Make sure that you're moving only your stomach and your spine, not your thighs so much and not your shoulders so much. Push your shoulders out, push your stomach out, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now lift your right hand up straight, drop it on your ankle, till then your body is straight. Now turn your chest out, look back, lift your hand up, stay there, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, come to center, drop it, same thing other side, hands on the knee, open up your chest, goes up, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, come to center, drop your hand down. Now from here, keep your palm down. So we are going to give an opposite stretch to the spine because we have worked on one way. As you have moon walk, we have mountain walk. So let us have it together. Come to Parvatasana, mountain posture. When you come to mountain posture, you can feel the stretch in the spine. Move your heel up and down. Now, from here, keep your palm stable, okay? All you're going to do is you're going to start walking forward with the baby steps. Don't be in a hurry to reach the front. From here, take step by step. 1, 2, very good. 3, go slowly. 4, 5. Till you feel you can manage, don't bend your knee. If you think this is the maximum and you cannot maintain there anymore, then you can bend your knee. We have reached till here. Now we're going to walk back again. 1, baby steps. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Complete Parvatasana. Once again, let's start. Baby walk. 1, 2, 3. You can feel the stretch. 4, 5, 6 and 7. Once you reach here, you're going to walk back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stay here. Let's do it one last time. Let's start walking forward. 1. Keep breathing in, breathing out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When you want to bend your knee, when you want to keep your knee straight, it's completely your choice depending on your body type. So let us start once again. Going back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. From here, we're going to hold in this posture for 5 counts. 5, 4, keep your knee straight. 3, 2, 1. From here, if you want, you can take a break. You can quickly come down. Stay here for about 5 to 10 seconds. Once you feel comfortable, make sure that for this posture, do a wrist rotation. If you feel tired, you can come out of it. You can do a quick wrist rotation. Don't hurt your wrist unnecessarily. Now, from here, you're going to come back to Parvatasana once again. Keep your right hand stable. Get your left hand to the right ankle. Go back. Right hand to the left ankle. Go back. We'll do this couple of times. 1, back. 2, back. 3, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, 4, breathe out. 5, back. 6, back. 7, back. 8, back. 9, back. The last one. 10, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now if you're super beginner, if you find it difficult to practice, just touch your knee and go back. Touch your knee and go back. If you think knee you can go easily, just touch your ankle and go back. Always when you practice stretches, it could be different from you to some other person. You figure out what is the best one for you. There is no perfect posture. Whatever you practice today, whatever you feel comfortable, that is a perfect posture for you. So don't run behind perfection. See what is your body's capacity and practice accordingly. If you think you can go slightly forward, try. If it doesn't work, then stay wherever you are. You can see your progress eventually. So keep practicing. Let me know how did you feel. Thank you.